What's going on, YouTube? We are back with another episode of Welding and Fab, and today we are going to be building a cart for this famous AC 225 Lincoln Electric buzz box. So as always, we'll be using some scrap metal that's been left over or picked up from various areas and or projects, and so yeah, just regular old tubing. Let's get to work. So I had this rectangular piece of scrap metal that it was just wide enough. It was actually just about perfect for my welder as far as the width goes, but the length from the back of the welder to here, it was a little too long. So I went down and cut about 24 inches just because I wanted a little extra room out in the front. About as much time as I have in my shop to do this. I'm about to continue this project when I get to school. I have so far, these little things were stuck to there just like that. I didn't really like that, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this as the handle. It's going to go there and there, probably go there, and I'm gonna add a handle to the top here. So let's get all this stuff packed up, head over to school, and continue.